Making money online has been one of the most popular topics on the internet. Do you want to make money just using your mobile? Now, you can make money with your mobile phone. This video will show you how to earn $25 per survey on your mobile phone by completing them at home. So, watch till the end, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. If you are looking to make money by completing surveys on your mobile phone, then you should try out this app. Fill surveys for dozens of legitimate survey companies and make extra cash. Thousands of brands, companies, and organizations from around the world are actively seeking opinions in form of paid surveys. It is an app that offers users the opportunity to earn money by answering surveys. Users can choose from several different categories of surveys such as shopping and fashion, health and beauty, or food and drink. The more questions users answer, the more they earn in points that can be redeemed cash payments through PayPal. You can work no matter where you live. Just grab your phone and start filling out surveys. Most surveys pay between 25 cents and $25 per survey, which takes only a few minutes. The best part is that there is no limit on surveys you can do, and no cap on your earnings. The money you will make depends on the number of surveys you can complete. You can make $100, $200, $500 a day, or even more. Surveys can be done on your smartphone from anywhere, at any time. Registration is so simple, you just click the link below in the description and fill out the sign-up form. That is it. Start filling out surveys today. Make sure to check the link in the description to start earning now. Make sure you don't miss out on that. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.